In the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic, Polymer Lab tests a number of PPEs. First, we test gloves. The tests that we usually conduct include water tightness to see whether the glove is leaking. The leak test is important to ensure that even if the medical personnel is using it, they do not touch anything contagious, does not come into contact with their skin. We also have dimensions. We test for thickness, we test for length, and we test for width. The dimensions are important for size because, as we know, different human beings have different hand sizes. Some wear medium, some wear large, others wear the small size. And depending on the size of the glove, it will also determine the other properties of the glove, such as the tensile properties. We test for tensile and elongation, which give us the strength of the glove. We also test for PVC boots, commonly known as gumboots. For gumboots are tested against KS ISO 4643. KS ISO 4643 specifies requirements for dimensions, that is thickness and length. We also test for tensile properties to show how strong the boot is. We test for hardness, which also is an indicator of strength. We test for flexing endurance to simulate the working ability of the human being. How many times can you be able to walk with the gumboot before it wears out? Other PPEs that we test include gowns, the PVC gowns, the PVC shoe covers, the PVC headgear. For this set, we test against customer specifications because there are no standards. We test for the thickness, we test for the tensile properties, air machine, and the cross direction to show how strong the material is. To assist patients in quarantine, we also test for foam mattresses. We test mattresses against KS 376. We test the compression set, which gives us how far when you lie on the mattress it's supposed to compress. We also test for the density because density gives us the class and the grade of the mattresses. We test the strength of the mattress using the tensile and tear resistance, and we also test for dimensions, that is length and width. Other related items and products that assist in the fight against COVID-19 pandemic that are tested in Polymer Lab include medical devices. These medical devices are syringes, blood collection tubes, catheters, blood bags, and urine bags, among other things.